Luigi Mangione case brought more attention to the healthcare system. Within the crisis, there is always some opportunities, lessons to be learned. It is time for people, for all of us, to own our health and be self-sufficient without depending on pharmaceutical companies. But we should know that most diseases are not genetic, but epigenetic. External influences can alter how a gene is expressed. Example, a former smoker can eventually reach DNA level that is similar to those non-smokers. The same applies to alcoholics. By simply quitting smoking or drinking alcohol, we can change the expression of our genes to its original level. So external interventions, experiences, changing the habits can change the expression of the gene. So by changing the language of our habits, we change the language of the gene, the expression of the gene. So it is time for us to fully utilize the power of our brain instead of playing the victim of our genes. We can influence our genes by changing our diet, by changing our environment, by changing our habits. We should be discerning with all of this. We should be discerning with what we consume. The air, the food, and everything that we consume. And we should start caring about the life force that is within. If we are still alive, that is due to the life force within. And that is all sourcing from our cells, within our organs, within our body. And it's also sourcing from the mitochondria within our cells, the powerhouses that are responsible for the energy production from the foods that we eat, from the air that we breathe, from all these habits that we daily act on. Our cells, the mitochondria within our cells, wants living foods. By eating living foods, alkaline foods such as fruits, freshly cooked meals, and by not eating the food out of season, and by consuming more alkaline foods, we give the body, the cells, what they really need. And this way we change the expression of our genes. So it is time for us to really own our health, really depend on ourselves, our own brain, and become the conscious consumers. And stop depending on those pharmaceutical companies. We have everything that we need. We have all the solutions that we need. We have so many alternative methods, ways to heal ourselves. We have sun therapy, and such as today I watched a video and the doctor was talking about the benefits of the beehive sounds. Beehives, they have this therapeutic sound that is equal to 432 hertz. which heals the PTSD and all these mental distortions. So we have so many ways, so many alternative ways to heal ourselves, to change the expression of our genes. We should really own our body. We should really respect our body. We should start loving ourselves. We should start being the conscious consumers, mindful consumers.